Hello?
Hi, Sri.
Yeah.
The meteor is ready.
Yeah.
And it's all yours.
Okay, cool.
Okay, this is not how we normally do this. What we normally do is we go for a ride, we test the product, we come back and we make a video about it. But this time I want it to be different because we are going to Hampi and I want you guys to come along with me. So this video is about Hampi, Royal Enfield Meteor and all the accessories we have done for this motorcycle. Let's go. Before we actually begin this ride, I want you guys to check out this version of the Royal Enfield Meteor 350 because honestly, this is the most beautiful Royal Enfield Meteor I've ever seen, presenting the Royal Enfield Meteor 350 Street. Now on the street version of this Meteor 350, the changes we have done is, we have installed the headlight grille, the handlebar raiser, the crash guard, the bash plate, there's container guards on the other side, there's exhaust. But the major difference that you can see is that we have removed the back seat, we have removed the grab rail and we have also changed the tail teddy. After removing this back seat and the grab rail, we have installed this Legundary custom built back carrier plate. Now this is done for a purpose because we can carry luggages, that's one thing, but also it fills up the space which makes this bike more beautiful. Now in order for us to start, let's make this bike the touring version. Guys, welcome to Hampi. I've ridden this beautiful motorcycle throughout Hampi and I've reached Sanapur Lake. And before I show you the beautiful visuals of Hampi that we shot, I want to show you all the accessories installed on this motorcycle. Now here's what I really like about all the accessories installed on this motorcycle. Quality. Because when you take a closer look at them, you'll understand that it's made with so much care. Now here's what I mean. Let's take a closer look. For that, we'll remove this top box and the saddlebags. Now take a look at these two parts. This is a stock grab rail and this is this custom aftermarket saddle stay. The quality of both these parts are on par. Or for instance, take a look at the finish on this crash guard and this engine. So the quality of all these parts installed on this motorcycle is directly comparable to what the company is offering. So let us take a detailed look at all the accessories installed on this motorcycle. All these accessories are designed and made by Legundary Customs. Okay, So up first is safety accessories, and in safety accessories, like always, we'll check out crash guards. The first thing you notice about this crash guard is the way it looks. It's simple yet elegant. It's made with mild steel and the quality really shows. Another commendable part about this accessory is the finish, because this finish, I've never seen something like this on a crash guard before. With this product also, what I really like is the design. It looks like it's made for the Royal Enfield Meteor. Actually, it's made for the Royal Enfield Meteor. It's made with mild steel, it's highly durable, and it will prevent any damages to the headlight. Down here is another product that I absolutely love. This is a universal fog lamp holder, meaning you can install any fog lamp on this and ride your way. Next up is another safety accessory. This is a skid plate installed on this motorcycle. It is also made with mild steel, and it will ensure that any stone or any other unwanted particle will not come in contact with your engine. Next up is another accessory that I absolutely loved on the highways. This is the handlebar riser from Legundary Customs. This is made with aluminium. It roughly gives about 75 mm of height. What this means is it gives you better riding comfort because you'll be sitting more upright. Now, this is why I love this brand, because these two products shows that they've put so much thought into designing products for this motorcycle. Check this out. This is the all-metal cover for rear brake cylinder. Also, an all-metal cover for this master cylinder. Up next is another important accessory for this motorcycle, the saddle stay. This product is again made with mild steel and is highly durable. But what I really like about it is the way it looks, because it looks on par with the motorcycle like how it would come out of the factory. Another great feature that I absolutely loved is the fact that you can directly install jerry cans on the saddle stay. Airfield is a premium product from Legundary brand. Now, it sounds just awesome. What makes this exhaust special is that the sound isn't too much. I rode for so long, yet the sound is soothing enough, but with a distinct grunt. Now, if you want to hear the sound, let us check it out. Lastly, we have the carrier and the carrier plate. What you see on this motorcycle is this base for the top case, the carrier plate, and the carrier underneath. Now, both this carrier and the carrier plate can be bought separately. And like everything else on this motorcycle, the one thing that I really like about this product is the design. This is the last accessory and one of my favorite, because honestly, the stock motorcycle looks kind of boring from the behind. Now, what we have done is we have removed this entire fiber system. We have installed a mild steel tail tidy. Now, what makes this product really special is the fact that you can install the stock tail lights and the stock indicators with this tail tidy. So, these are the accessories for Royal Enfield Meteor. Now, if you want to buy these accessories, you can check them out at www.bandidspitstop.com. Now, let's enjoy Hampi.